Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can embed text using your images. So anchor tag here, and then add a curly braces with the text here, um, and then you can hit enter, and you have your text written in a written form. Like click me here in the hyperlink. So it is also useful. Now I'm creating some dynamic images, like a paragraph, and then curly braces, and then text within paragraph, and then next to anchor tag, and then uh, here some text in the hyperlink, and then plus sign, and then curly braces, and then to continue. So if you think any other dynamic image, you don't need to um, any use this example that what I am doing. You need to I will give you just an idea to how you can create your image. So here we got the paragraph tag in the click tag, and then hyperlink here, and to be continued. You can add multiple images with your own dynamic mind. So these images are just for an example. You can think multiple operators with the dynamic images, and yeah, you can also create the uh, complete website HTML with a single line of image. So just you need to think, and you need to add whatever you want in your HTML document. So now I'm gonna work on some notes and abbreviation formattings. Like I'm gonna show you that how it will work. I'm gonna add some grouping here, and then header, and then greater than sign, ul, and nav, and also li, sorry, greater than sign, li, and static 5, and then plus footer. For example, here we got the header here, and order list for navigation, and then footer. You can also add here some body tag, then plus footer, or also you can add nav tag, maybe not nav, it's section, or something like main, and then you can also add the child if you are adding these child signs. So you can you need to add some um, jump. So here we jump here, and then here we need to add two jumps, and then create an image. I've just make a mistake, like header, like footer, and then plus sign. Yeah, plus sign here. Or maybe just show you the this example, and then we need to add plus sign here, and then body here. So here we got the results, and then I need to add some section here, and then jump to, maybe jump to will not work. You can also add the curly braces here. Give me a second. Yeah, here we got the curly braces. So if you are working with the multiple childs, so you can also add these kind of layouts with the header tag, and li, and multiple li's, and then body, and section, and then footer. So this is just for example. You can make your own image. so without using your any line. For example, I'm gonna add some more dynamic um, more dynamic images. So for example, I'm gonna add some header here, so keep that small, header, and then plus sign, and then add some body here, and then footer here. And if you need some navigation within your header tag, so I'm gonna add some curly braces here and add a nav tag with the li static 5, and then body tag should be uh, we can add curly braces and then body, and then yeah, you need to add greater than sign, and section here, maybe 4 sections like static 4, and then within the sections you need to add any containers or then any row here, row class here, and you can also add the um, 4 column footer like uh, div tag static 4, so it will give you the results like this. I'm gonna remove this header tag, and then navigation tag, and then body and section, and div tag, section, div tag with the container, with the row. Here we got the results like this. For example, I'm gonna add some footer here, uh, and then greater than sign with the div tag, and then our li should be greater than. So your every single, like made a mistake here, nav dot and nav dot, and then li here. Yeah, here we got the header tag, nav tag, div tag with the li class, and section here with the container, with the row. Here we got the results. All the results are yeah, here are the 4 columns of your HTML document. So it is very useful and time saving, and speed up your development thing. So you can also use this while creating your any website or web page. So that's very fast and very useful trick to complete your website within hours, or maybe if you are creating a single page layout, so it will very useful. And yeah, that's all for now, and hope you guys enjoy my tutorial. And you will you need to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so you can also visit my um, website and download my app, so to learn how it will work, and more videos. Mm, so in future I will create some uh, a series of website, creating a complete website with using grunt, with using HTML, with the animations also. So you can also uh, watch my that series. I'm gonna create a fast development method for every developer. So take care for now.